disappear where your existence is not valued. It's better to be alone than with people who don't care about your feelings. Even in friendships, your friends, they can say many things about you. They don't care how you feel or what. It's better to be alone than with those people. Even in family, your family members, they don't care how you feel. They can say many things about your life, about your marriage. They don't care. So it's better to be alone than with those people. They don't see your value. They don't care about you. Even there is a function on the family, they don't invite you. Don't go, especially you know that you are not invited. Even it's a family meeting, it's a serious meeting, but all the times they don't value you. It's better not to go, or to tell you that there is something, or in family they don't count you like you are a family member. Especially you don't have money, or maybe your parents, they don't have money or what. You know that family members, they want people who have got money nowadays. It's not about blood is thicker than water. Even in relationship, when you saw your partner doesn't care about the words your partner is saying to you, how you feel about the words, even in front of the people, your partner can humiliate you in front of people. It's better to be alone than with that person who doesn't care